Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So we need to put the negative on numerator and the denominator. So this one we can change the sign, and we have 1 minus cosine x squared. Now we have the formula in here. So we put cosine x squared go to the right, and we have sine x squared equals to 1 minus cosine x squared. This one that is about sine x squared. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sine x. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we got like this. This one we change for u. Cosine x dx we change for du. The integration of this one we have 1 over u. About u that is about sine x. Now let's go to the next one. We have the formula in here. The integration of this one that is about x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. So I will put number 2 going here. So 2 plus 1 we have number 3, and now that is about 1 over 3 multiplied by x to the power of number 3 over number 3. The next one that is about x to the power of number 1. So I will put number 1 going here. So 1 plus 1 we have number 2. The next one that is about x, and then we put the bounds from number 1 to number 2. So I will put number 2 going here. So number 1 going here. So we calculate this one, and we have 149 over 18. Now let's go to the last one. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to x squared plus number 9. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2x. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. Now we need to change the bounds. When x equals to number 0, so I will put number 0 going here, and u equals to number 9. When x equals to number 2, so I will put number 2 going here, and that is about u equals to 13. So number 0 that is about number 9. Number 2 that is about 13. This one that is about u. x dx that is about this one. So the integration of this one that is about Ln of the absolute value of u, and we put the bounds from number 9 to number 13. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.